What are the different types of welding? Fusion welding, liquid state. In these processes, the base metal is melted and a filler metal is usually added. This is the most common category found on board ships. Arc welding, most common, uses an electric arc to create heat. SMAW, shielded metal arc welding, also known as stick welding, uses a consumable electrode coated in flux. This is the standard for most shipboard repairs. TIG, tungsten inert gas, uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode and a separate filler rod. It provides the highest quality welds for stainless steel and aluminum. MIG or MAG, metal inert or active gas, uses a continuous wire feed. It is fast and efficient but difficult to use in windy conditions like on deck. SAW, submerged arc welding. The arc is hidden under a layer of granular flux, used for heavy plate fabrication in shipyards. Gas welding. Oxy-Acetylene welding uses a mixture of oxygen and acetylene gas to produce a flame. While common for cutting, oxy-cutting, it is also used for welding thin plates or brazing. Resistance welding uses heat generated by resistance to electric current. Spot welding, joining overlapping sheets at specific points. Seam welding, producing a continuous leak-proof weld along a joint. Solid-state welding. The metals are joined without melting the base material, usually through pressure and heat. Friction welding. Heat is generated by mechanical friction, common in engine components. Explosive welding, used for cladding two dissimilar metals together. Ultrasonic welding uses high-frequency vibrations to join thin foils or plastics. Newer or specialized technologies. Laser beam welding, LBW, high precision, used in advanced manufacturing. Electron beam welding, EBW, performed in a vacuum to prevent oxidation. Direct answer to surveyor. Sir, welding processes are primarily classified into fusion welding, where the metal is melted, and solid-state welding, where joining occurs without melting. As a marine engineer, the most common types I encounter are arc welding, most common on ships. SMAW, shielded metal arc welding, commonly known as stick welding. It uses a consumable electrode with flux. It is the most versatile for shipboard repairs in all positions, 1G to 4G. TIG, tungsten inert gas, uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode and an external shielding gas, argon. It is used for high-precision work on stainless steel or aluminum. MIG or MAG, metal inert or active gas, uses a continuous wire feed. It is very fast but mostly used in workshops or shipyards rather than on an open deck. Gas welding. Oxy-Acetylene welding uses a mixture of oxygen and acetylene to produce a flame. While we primarily use this for gas cutting, it is also used for welding thin sheets and brazing. Resistance welding, used for joining thin sheets by passing an electric current through them, creating heat via resistance. Common types are spot welding and seam welding. Solid-state welding. Processes like friction welding or forge welding, where the metal remains in a solid state but is joined through heat and high pressure.